face?
Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Happy.
Happy. Smile you see upon my face as the sun shines in the sky shows the world that I feel happy and my mood is soaring high.
Happy. Happy.
Happy. Are you happy, Jordan? Can you clap? Can you clap and show everybody you're happy? You're a very happy little girl, aren't you? Happy. Sad. Sometimes I feel so very sad and really don't know why. Instead of playing and having fun, I cry and cry and cry. Did you just step down?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. Angry. Angry is how I feel right now. I shout with a mighty roar. I mostly want to frown and growl and stomp upon the floor. Stomp on the floor. Excited. I'm bouncing like a rubber ball. I'm more excited than I can say. It's really hard for me to sit when I'd rather jump and play. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Jordan. Are you happy?
Happy.
Happy.
Up.